Your last space-saving combo probably cooked your clothes, took forever to dry, and started throwing error codes right after the warranty ended. Most people focus on capacity and smart features. The real difference is in motors, heat systems, and service access, the boring engineering that decides whether a combo survives 15 years or dies in 5. Choose a machine that protects its bearings, controls its temperatures, and can actually be serviced. And you'll stop treating laundry day like a gamble. In this video, I'm breaking down the best all-in-one washer-dryers of 2026, highlighting key features, real-world performance, and exactly what makes each one worth your money. Links are in the description. Products are in the pinned comment. Let's get into it.
This video is presented to you by Trusty Picks.
Number 5. Ventless Pro Grade Combo for Utility Rooms. The fifth and final washer-dryer on this list is the Pro Grade option designed for utility rooms, secondary suites, and households that want commercial-style robustness in a ventless combo format. It pairs a thick-gauge stainless steel drum with a steel spider and industrial-style bearing stack borrowed from light commercial machines, meaning the core rotating assembly is massively overbuilt for residential duty. The drive system typically uses a strong, high-efficiency motor and a short belt with oversized pulleys. That classical architecture is proven, easily serviceable, and forgiving when it comes to occasional overloads. On the drying side, this combo uses a high-capacity condenser or hybrid heat pump system, matched to a strong blower that keeps air moving smoothly through the drum and across the condenser surfaces. That airflow discipline is what separates it from weaker ventless designs that suffocate themselves with lint and moisture. The control electronics are deliberately conservative, cycle options are fewer but better tuned, with clear separation between cotton, synthetic, mixed, and low-temperature care modes, and the machine avoids complex, failure-prone, auto-everything shortcuts that depend on a forest of cheap sensors. The cabinet is heavily insulated, not just for noise, but to maintain stable thermal conditions around the drum and electronics, reducing condensation and corrosion over the long term. Access panels are screwed, not clipped, which means a technician, or a determined owner, can service the machine without breaking the structure. Over a 15-year timeline, this washer-dryer's big advantage is simple. It is built more like a small commercial unit than a flashy retail product, so it shrugs off the kind of continuous use that would kill a lighter, more aggressively cost-cut combo. Number 4. Heavy-duty 5CU.FT family combo with true separate cycles. The fourth machine targets large households that run laundry like a small business and need one unit to cover everything from daily clothing to bedding, sports gear, and occasional heavy loads. It uses a large 5 cubic foot drum supported by a high-capacity bearing assembly and a rigid outer tub that resists flexing under load. The motor is an oversized, brushless direct drive unit capable of high torque at low speeds and smooth acceleration into high-speed spin, which matters when you are wringing out heavy cotton or mixed loads without overstraining the drive system. The washer side of this combo focuses on mechanical action and intelligent water management. It balances lower fill levels for efficiency with periodic saturation phases that fully wet bulky textiles, using drum reversals and slow tumbling to avoid tangling bedding into a single dense rope. For drying, this machine offers a condenser or heat pump system, depending on market. But what makes it stand out is the separation in logic between wash and dry programs. Rather than pretending every cycle can seamlessly switch from wash to perfect dryness with one press, its control system encourages realistic combinations, intense wash and spin, partnered with appropriately long fabric-specific dry cycles. That honesty reduces over-promising and under-delivering, which is where many combos attract complaints. Internally, components are modular and accessible. Pumps, heaters, sensors, and boards are placed for service rather than buried wherever they fit cheapest. The cabinet is designed to be opened, repaired, and reassembled without destroying clips and fasteners. For a family that wants one serious machine to do it all and isn't afraid of heavy use, this combo has the mechanical backbone and service-friendly design to make a 15-year lifespan realistic rather than aspirational. Number 3. Slimline 2.5CU.FT Apartment Heat Pump Combo. The third washer-dryer is for people with serious space constraints who refuse to accept the flimsy build quality that usually comes with slim appliances. This is a 2.5 cubic foot front-load combo, narrow enough to fit into closets, under counters, or tight European-style kitchens, but engineered with big machine thinking. The drum is slightly smaller in diameter and depth, Yet the designers compensated by optimizing paddle geometry and spin profiles so clothes still get a full tumble path rather than hugging the walls. A compact, direct-drive motor sits behind the drum, and because the mass is lower than in full-size units, it can deliver enough torque without being oversized, which reduces both vibration and heat buildup in the motor windings. Drying is handled by a miniaturized heat pump circuit that uses efficient refrigerant flow and tightly sealed ducting. It takes longer than a large vented dryer, but it operates at gentle temperatures that extend textile and component life. The cabinet is stiffened with internal bracing so that the forces from high-speed spin cycles do not flex panels and gradually loosen fasteners, a common failure point in slim units. Noise and vibration control is critical in apartments, so this combo uses multi-stage damping, a solid counterweight system, tuned springs, and elastomer pads under the feet to decouple the machine from the floor. Its user interface is free of gimmicks, a straightforward knob, a small clear display, and enough options to handle mixed laundry without turning every load into a configuration experiment. Over a 15-year window, the key advantage is that this compact unit behaves like a scaled-down industrial machine, not like a disposable appliance meant to be swapped out every few years. Number 2. Rugged Condenser Combo 3.5 CU.FF Family Compact. The second machine is a slightly smaller, condenser-based combo that succeeds by being brutally practical rather than chasing every new feature on the spec sheet. It uses a conventional but heavy-duty brushless motor driving the drum via a short, thick belt. Chosen not because belts are glamorous, but because the belt-driven architecture has decades of refined reliability behind it. The 3.5 cubic foot drum is large enough for real family loads, towels, school clothes, mixed fabrics, without being so deep that items hide from the wash action. Baffles inside the drum are shaped to encourage a rolling, folding motion rather than violent slapping, which improves cleaning while minimizing long-term fabric damage. For drying, this unit uses a condenser system that reheats and recycles air through the drum, condensing out moisture into a drain path. It runs hotter than a heat pump design, but the manufacturer hedges against that with careful airflow and temperature caps, making sure the cabinet and internal components never see the kind of sustained extremes that cook electronics and warp plastic. Control software is deliberately simple. A handful of core cycles, clear labeling, and moisture sensing that errs on the side of slightly longer cycles rather than risky underdrying guesses that users then override. The suspension and bearing assemblies are noticeably more robust than those in budget combos. With thicker shafts, better seals, and more substantial dampers, that is what allows this machine to spin at respectable speeds year after year without howling or walking across the floor. If you want an all-in-one that can live in a busy household and keep functioning like a basic, dependable workhorse for well over a decade, this is the tool-grade option. Number 1. Premium Heat Pump Combo 4.5 CU.FT Class. This first all-in-one is the benchmark. A front-load washer-dryer combo built around a full-size drum and a heat pump drying system, designed specifically to reduce thermal stress on components and fabrics over the long haul. At its core is a direct drive motor attached directly to the drum, eliminating belts and pulleys, which removes a common failure point and allows extremely precise control over wash and spin speeds. The stainless steel drum is generously sized at roughly 4.5 cubic feet, with carefully shaped lifters that keep laundry tumbling through the water instead of knotting in the bottom, and the perforations are tuned to move water efficiently without leaving heavy, unbalanced pockets that punish the bearings. On the drying side, the heat pump system uses a closed loop of refrigerant to move heat rather than blasting the drum with red-hot elements. That keeps operating temperatures lower, which dramatically reduces shrinkage, color fade, and stress on seals and plastics. Because the system condenses moisture rather than venting it, the machine is easier to install in modern apartments or interior closets. The control logic is conservative and stability-focused. It uses multiple sensors to track temperature, drum speed, and moisture, but it never tries to shave a few minutes off the cycle at the expense of balance or hardware stress. Maintenance access is another quiet strength. Filters, lint paths, and condensate channels are reachable without disassembling the machine, which is key to a 15-year lifespan. This is the unit you buy if you want a single combo that behaves more like a carefully engineered built-in appliance than a compact compromise. So, that wraps up our list of the best washer dryers. If this video was useful to you, kindly click the thumbs up button. Which one are you going to pick? Describe your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an updates. Everyone who had come this far. I'm hoping to see you in the next video.